Microphone check. Check, check. 1, 2. Let me get some water. All right. Dang, hold up. Fong TNN, what's happening? Hold on, 1 second. Oh snap, I forgot to set the timer, man. Jesus. Anyways, timer's going on right now. Should I shave off some? Let's do like let's shave off a couple minutes. L Minson, what's happening? Smart Coder, welcome to the party. Just G, how you doing? Coming to check whether I won my Buccarinos. What? Yeah, so my rating did go up, but that bet has been settled since Sunday, man. I did go up. I got +2 elos, man. I got lucky. It was down to the wire. I'm a bit not so happy with my performance, though. I feel like I should have gotten Q3 as well, but I couldn't get Q3. But I'm happy I got Q4, though. Q4, I had to like learn Dijkstra's on the go. Well, I already know Dijkstra's, so I had to learn how to do the whole path thing. It was kind of weird for me, but I was able to get it, which I'm happy. Anyways, so I'm kind of sick today. Like yesterday I started to cough. I don't feel like super bad, but I did sleep a whole lot today, that's for sure. And I'm coughing a little bit, unfortunately. Glump1 in the house. What's happening, Glump? I'll be flying out tomorrow, and I'll be gone until next week, Friday, man. So no LeetCode streams for the next week from me, but there's still so many other LeetCoders. There's Real Raymond Jones, there's Pat's Hello World, Chi Impact, Inrosis. I think those are the main players right now. You can stream something else? Yeah, actually, man, I'm gonna bring. I actually bought a laptop, man. Like, I haven't owned a laptop capable of streaming in a long time, but I just bought one a couple weeks ago, just in case I want to do like a one-off stream when I'm traveling. But it probably won't be like practicing LeetCode. It might just be a regular just chillin' stream. And I'm going to be doing some more traveling next month also. I'm going to Switzerland again. Maybe I'll do a stream from there too. Regular is okay too. No, I think it's gonna be maybe a bit difficult to do a regular ass LeetCode stream. Let me switch it up. Because I won't have like all my monitors and stuff, and like working on a problem, watching chat and typing and all that microphone, all that junk is probably gonna be a bit hard when I don't have my home studio, you know. But we'll see how it goes. You guys want to see my laptop? I'll go get it right now, man. I just got this. It's so dang. I don't even know what it is. It's something. But it has a 4060. It's a 14-inch. It might be good enough for the road. It's like a Zephyrus G14. 58 seconds to ads. Man, how'd you see that? Oh, it's on my thing. Dang. Anyways. Yeah. You already know, if you don't want ads, you can hit the YouTube. But I don't even know how to get there. To get around ads. There you go. Is it capable of video editing? Because Switzerland sounds like the place to be for your shoots. Yeah, I'm gonna also try and edit some videos. I've been falling behind on my YouTube editing, man. Work kind of got busy, and then I kind of just lost momentum for my video edits. But man, I got to do it, and I think if I stop now, it's gonna be hard to get back on the ball. Oh snap! No common Chris in the house trying to do a little type eraser. I had scheduled my phone interview today, but I had to reschedule because my wife went into labor today, almost at the same time. El Minson, congratulations, my friend, man. That is exciting. Exciting stuff going on. All right, ads are officially here. Watch on YouTube if you don't want ads. Then come back to Twitch, of course. Is he going to beat yet, Type? Man, I don't think I've beaten No Condom Chris many times in Type Racer, but all right, who's here for Type Racer, man? No Condom Chris is trying to get that championship before people get here, it seems. Let's do it. Let's do it real quick, and then we'll do the daily problem, and then we'll do other things, I guess. Q Ultimus, what's happening? How are you doing, Q? How are you doing? Y'all ready? Ads still 30 seconds. 30 seconds to ads. Wait, are we gonna bet? Asia C Mac. What's happening, Asia? How are you doing? All right, let's make a bet. Let's make a bet. Asia C Mac. I'm going to be traveling tomorrow, and I'll be out for a few days. Miss Money had a big presentation yesterday. Oh man, how did your presentation go? Have a good time in Switzerland. I'm not going to Switzerland. I'm going to Switzerland next month. I'm going home. I'm going to my village. My home village. Do y'all know where I'm from? Piss Bucket, what's happening? Welcome to the party. Remember some scotches, maybe. Can I bring that on the plane? Is it too hot? All right, what's the bet gonna be? Maybe No Condom Chris versus me or Q. Village in Jamaica. Yeah, my village in Jamaica. I'm from a small village called, well, I'll tell you, I'm from a small area called Saint Mary. Yeah, is Smart Coder here? Smart Coder should be here. Bomba clot. Hey, you can't say those words out here, man. This is a PG-13 stream. All right, we'll do a 2v2. No Condom Chris, Smart Coder versus me and Q Ultimus. Here we go. We got 2 minutes to bet. Place your bets. We're about to race on the Type Racer. Yeah, I'm also going to like try to get some footage when I'm in Jamaica to show you guys where I'm from. Maybe I might even go to the school I went to, man. The school in the village in the hills. It's a small school near the river. I'll show you where the LeetCode streamer is from. Is it open? I don't know if it's open, but maybe I'll just go up there or something. Does your accent switch a bit if you stay there for a long time? For sure it does. Like, when I initially go back, it's hard to switch it on, but if I stay there for a while, it just comes back naturally. Distinguished alumnus. Yeah, maybe. So you weren't born in the US? I was not born in the US. Shady from YouTube. What's happening? Good morning to you, or good evening over here. Seafood is good. Lots of fish, lobsters, shrimps, all that stuff. Jiwandi, man, how do you know all these things? Wagwan, my G. Who's teaching all these words, man? Anyways, all right, bet. All right, let's do. I didn't even share the racetrack. All right, there is the racetrack. I'll send it to YouTube as well, and I'll send it to the Discord. All right, so the bet is. Dang, where's Smart Coder at, man? Smart Coder is supposed to be. There he is. Jesus. But this is just the warm up. Man, what are these buttons? Did they update stuff in Type Racer? My Type Racer not loading? Yeah, looks like some weird things. Like, these button colors look different for sure. Chad going crazy? Yeah, six pack sexy, aka no condom Chris. Alright, all you guests, you gotta log in. This is. Oh. Do I control when the race starts? Man, that is exciting. So where's Q at? Q, no condom Chris, Smart Coder. Let's go. Oh yeah. Ready, steady. 3 seconds to go. Ugh, not that great, but we got the WQ. Look at that. You took out no condom Chris, I took out Smart Coder. Easy work. And I made tons of mistakes, but man, good job, Q. You carried the team. Q puts his team on his back, yo. If I didn't choke, I would have hit 100. Yeah, Smart Coder. Me too, man. Me too. If I didn't choke, I'd have hit 110 miles per hour, man. Anyways, had such a good flow. COC style. Hold up. Let me. Wait, who won that? Q got first? I don't even remember. Q, did you win that with 112? I hope so. Alright, let me put that up there real quick. Man, I gotta redo my website. I was thinking maybe when I'm on vacation I might work on some small things like that. But maybe I should just be focused on video editing and getting footage. Alright, Q. Man, Q, you just won with a 112, man. What are you doing? Q Ultima's back-to-back championships. Oh, Q has had a couple back-to-back championships. 3 back-to-back championships for Q. This is his 3rd time winning back-to-backs. Alright, now, what are we gonna do? I guess it is LeetCode time. Man, I think as soon as I hit Guardian, I might retire from LeetCode forever or something. But then what would I do? Would I still stream if I hit Guardian? Man, literally misspelled the same word 3 times in a row. Who we talking about? You? Help others to get Guardian? Oh wait, let me choose the bet. Let me choose the bet, man. How do you... Oh, where's the bet at? Choose outcome. Me and Q winning big bucks out here. Retire after you hit 2,700. I don't think I'll ever hit 2,700. Dang, look at that. Q Ultimus, Clistar making big bucks. No Colin Chris losing some money. Just G losing those bucks. Thank you everyone for betting. All right, here we go. Here we go. Man. All right, looks like I've done this one, but should I try and do it again? Let me see the last time I did it. 2 years ago, man. I should definitely do it again. Longest ideal subsequence. You're given a string S consisting of lowercase letters and an integer k. We call a string T ideal if the following conditions are satisfied. T is a subsequence of the string S. The absolute difference in the alphabet order of every 2 adjacent letters in T is less than or equal to K. Return the length of the longest ideal string. A subsequence is a string that can be derived from another string by deleting some or no characters without changing the order of the remaining characters. Note that the alphabet order is not cyclic. For example, the absolute difference in the order of A and Z is 25, not 1. Alright, so here they have K equals 2, thing is 4, A, B, C, D. Alright, so it's just LIS, right? It's just LIS, man. Let me try and LIS it. Well, longest increasing subsequence, but with a twist. How do you do that again? I think it's like an n-squared algorithm. So you go something like something like that. LIS is TLE. Oh snap! I didn't look at the constraints. You're right. You are absolutely right. All right, let me rethink. Wait. Yeah, LIS with TLE because it's n-squared. So it's like take it or leave it. What's K? K is 25. Take it or leave it, man. Either you take it. Wait. Yeah, either you take it or you leave it. That's all there is to it, right? So we can take A. All right, let me look at, I'm pretty sure it's take it or leave it, but I'll just like go through the motions since it's supposed to be like an educational stream, right? So at every index, we decide either take it or leave it. So there's ones where we take A and then where we leave A, so it's just blank. And then we go to the next one. So if we took A, we go to the next one. I suppose you have to remember the previous character. So if the previous is A and we're at C, and the thing is K equals 2, then we can also either take C or I don't know how to like draw take it or leave it out because there's so many different branches. So if we took C, that means we can't take F because it's out of range, so we have to leave it. And then the previous will still be C. We can't take G, it's too far, but we can take B. And anyways, I'm just gonna code it up with lambdas. So what do we need? We need like a previous, maybe. And oh, Bet Simp in the house. What's happening, Bet Simp? Thank you for pushing me to use lambdas, man. I think it does make my life a little bit easier. Maybe I'd have to specify something here. What was I doing? So I guess we'll have to cache on index and some character. So it'd be like vector cache. I'll do 26, I guess, for the characters. And then I'll do n+1. Excuse me. All right, here we go, man. So if we go out of bounds, so if I is greater than n, then we can just return 0 because there's nothing left to take. And then if we can take it, we should take it, and then we can always leave it. So how do we know if we can take it? We can take it, I guess, if I'll say, I don't know how to do this yet. Should I have this as a char? I'll say if the previous is a blank space, that means we haven't taken anything yet. Or if, let me just make the diff is gonna be si minus prev. Or diff is less than k, less than equal to k. That means we can take it. So take would just be, we add 1 because we're adding 1 to the length if we take the character. And we go to the next one, and the previous becomes a current. And then if we leave it, it would just be, we don't add anything because we're not taking any characters. And then we go to the next index, and then the previous character is still the previous character. And then we just return the max of take it or leave it. Right? I think so, man. And then, oh, let me do the cache stuff. So if cache prev minus a and index not equal -1, I'm just copy this. Index 0, previous starts. Yeah. All right. Hopefully this works. Hopefully this works. Yeah. Am I missing anything? Hopefully not, man. Should I just submit and see what's up? Can I overflow? Should I check for long, long? I think we're good on long, long. All right, let's see. Let's see. We should have maybe made a bet. No, come on, man. Come on. That bet would have been bad. I didn't even see that. Jesus. I didn't. What is happening? Come on now. All right. Hold up. Hold up. Where did I mess up? Let me think. Let me think. Either we take it. Or maybe like this. Yeah, space minus A. Right. Maybe this space is... How do I deal with that, man? I guess... This is some bootleg solution right here. I'll have to look to see like how people deal with this part. I don't really have any great techniques. All right, so that's not a clean solution, but it works. I suppose if I had a map as my cache, no. Let me just see what some other people did. Start at next position. Having paranoia from that long. Yeah, I've been having paranoia. Man, this guy did LIS. What the hell? But a different type of LIS, I guess. Oh, snap. I guess you can just count the counts or something. No. I don't know. I don't know. Anyways. Lee215. Man, forget Lee's solutions. Oh, this guy did some... Oh, he did some crazy things right here, man. That's not the way I was looking for. Anyways, I think that's it for me for the daily. What should we do? Should we do LeetRooms? Should I do zero track? Y'all want to do some LeetRooms or what? Let's do LeetRooms, I guess. Oh, check my 2022 solutions. All right, all right. Two years ago. Oh, I used a dot instead of a period. And I made my cache big instead of added in like weird if statements to deal with that period. But basically the same solution, I'd say. And I didn't use a dang lambda. I just did it old school way. Piping down everything, piping down the cache, piping down the K, piping down the string. Alright. Are you gonna say for the day? What? Like finish the stream for the day? Larger cache probably slow down your solution? Yeah. Probably, for sure. Yeah, it got a lot faster with the smaller cache, but still not like bottom up fast. I'm higher rated than Lee? Dang. Well, I never thought Lee215 was super high rated. I always thought he was just like a golfer or something. But let me see where Lee's at. Yeah, I mean, he also doesn't take the contest, man. Oh shit, 26, but 2019. 59th in 2020 is like 500th today. Oh, he does on LeetCode China. What do you mean? Wouldn't his things show up here, or you gotta go on the Chinese website to... What is this, man? What is this thing? Is this like a Chinese social media thing? Uses a different account. Man, 16 million views. If you click on his profile, dang, he has a YouTube channel. Interesting. Should we see should we see one of his videos real quick? He got nice thumbnails. I need to work on my thumbnails, man. They're whack. Everything about my YouTube I feel is whack. Anyways. Chinese LeetCode lets you follow people. Man, why are they holding out on regular LeetCode? Why does Chinese LeetCode get all the cool things? Chinese LeetCode gets like more things in the store. Chinese LeetCode gets... How do I get to Chinese LeetCode, man? Regular LeetCode is lazy. Yeah, I feel like they just give us the shit end of the stick. Oh, he's like 2,800 right now. Dang. Dang. It's pretty high. Dang, he's one problem away from Leet problems. That's nice. Should we go to the Chinese boutique mall? Yeah, look. Well, they get cooler note. Look, you can even buy stuff with money, man. I can buy a polo shirt out here for 99 bucks, but they won't sell it to us. Like, what the hell? Why are they holding out on us, man? Don't they know? We're trying to spend money in America, man. Jesus. They got hoodies too? How much is 99 yen? Yen? Is that yen, man? I don't know. Yuan? That ain't yen. Like 14 bucks? Cheap. Yo, can we buy this? Is there somebody in China that we can just forward ship it to? They won't even let us buy it, man. $14 for a polo is a steal. Yeah. That is yen? Well, if it was yen, that's like 75 cents, man. They got hoodies. Let me check those out. I don't know where to click. One of these links. Leak. Hey, how do you get this, man? Do you have to be in China to get this? Or what? China and Japan use the same symbol for money. It isn't yen. Brett, what's happening? I actually didn't know that. I was about to say yen. I was like, man, that looks like the yen, but I'm pretty sure China don't use no yens. Apparently, they use the same symbols though. Order it to my family's home in China. Then I'll pick it up when I go back this year. Nice. How much to buy that from you, BetSim? How much should you sell your LeetCode hoodie for? You think people are selling them on eBay or something? Hopping on Chinese LeetCode, translating every question. Even stole the symbol. What? LeetCode hoodie, polo, hat, backpack. Man, that is the dream. Don't think they know about eBay. Man, somebody needs to make fake LeetCode hoodies and just sell them on eBay or something. Maybe that should be a startup idea. Anyways. I'm actually mad at LeetCode. I don't even want to wear their swag. I'm mad at LeetCode because they give all the Chinese LeetCode all the cool features and they don't give us the cool features, man. So why am I like hyping up a site that doesn't care about me, you know? They can't even like, I think LeetCode needs to give us all the social media features. We're talking about this on Real Raymond Jones stream earlier. Dang, ads. Pretty sure it's shipping related, man. They can just, don't they have an office in Palo Alto? They can just do one big shipment to Palo Alto over there, man. They should just hire me to be in charge of merch or something. Anyways, let's do some dang problems. Here we go, here we go. All right, should I work on, I guess I'll try and do the mediums. G1D, thank you very much for the hydrates. Bless up, thank you. All right, I have to remember to like refresh my YouTube chat because sometimes the messages don't come through. All right, here we go, here we go. Possible bipartition, mice and cheese, reaching points, pizza with 3 end slices. Those are the problems. It's been a while since I've done a bipartite thing. Should I try it? Let's read. We want to split a group of n people labeled from 1 to n into 2 groups of any size. Each person may dislike some other people and they should not go into the same group. Given the integer n and the array dislikes, where dislikes I, A, B indicates that a person labeled A does not like the person labeled B. Return true if it is possible to split everyone into 2 groups in this way. All right, I gotta think for this. First, I don't even know if it's a bipartite graph. Second, I haven't done a bipartite thing in such a long time. So n is 2000. So we have 4 people in this example. And these people dislike each other. And they say it is possible to split them into 2 groups. The first group has 1 and 4. Do the groups need to be equal? Two groups of any size. First group has 1 and 4. The second group has 2 and 3. Where do I begin here? Do I have to make like some type of adjacent, not adjacency list, but maybe an anti-adjacency list? So it's like I'd have each person. So like 1 can't be in a group with 2 or 3. 2 can't be in a group with 1 or 4. 3 can't be in a group with 1. And 4 can't be in a group with 2. And then 1. And then you hit each. Yeah, what do I do after that, man? I don't even know. 1, 2. One, 3. I don't know, man. I don't know. Maybe maybe it's like I just have the adjacency list, but I start everyone adjacent to each other. But as I go through the list, I'll be like, okay, remove from 1, let's remove 2. And then again, let's remove 3. So that way I'll have like who? So it would just be 1 to 4. And then either you're in group 1 or group 2. I think I can solve it like that. I mean, the numbers are small enough where I feel like it should be able to work. All right, let me try that idea, man. Let's try it out. So, well, I guess I'll do the anti-adjacency list because n is small enough where I can just loop through every single n, I feel. Right? Here we go. So maybe I should make this like a Boolean or something. Ingest Dell, what's happened? Thank you very much. And it'll be I don't know if this idea is gonna work. Oz Hick, welcome to the stream. I don't know what that says, but should I verify what you're saying out there? This is English only, man. Maybe a little bit of Spanish, but I don't know any other languages. All right, so what am I doing? Spanish rules. A little bit of Spanish, I said. Yeah, hola, ¿cómo estás? Me gusta pollo frito. Con papas fritas. That's about all I got, man. Like chicken? I like fried chickens and French fries with French fries. Oh man, so Spanish is coming out. A las chicas de verdad le gusta pollo. Wait, all the something chicks like fried chicken? What's verdad? I knew that word, man. All the real ones are... what does that mean? I don't even know. All the truth. Yeah. All the true ones like fried chicken. I agree. Real girls like fried chickens. Yeah. Well, real guys like fried chicken too. What am I doing here, man? So I'm trying to be like, this source and destination is false. That means they can't be in the same group together. That's what I'm gonna try and do. And then I'll just be like, I guess maybe should I use a map? I guess I could just use a dang vector int group of size n. Maybe I fill it with -1 or something. Two people going neck to neck? Yeah, not me, man. I'm chilling. How do you found how to start to solve a problem? I guess experience, man. If you're asking like, how do I know how to start, like what to think about when I'm solving a problem, it just comes down to solving a whole lot of problems and recognizing certain patterns that always come up. But this one, I'm just kind of winging it. I don't really know if my idea is gonna work. Why are you not using the best programming language, JavaScript? I don't know JavaScript, that's why. My main issue is to figure out how to start solve the problem and you do it like nothing without thinking about it. Man, that's not true, man. I sit here and I think all the time, man. I'm here like always thinking about different things. Like, I think elements, and after you do a couple hundred problems, you'll start to notice, for example, like anytime they're asking you subarray sums or something, maybe you can think about prefix sums or sliding window, you know? Or if they're asking like, if they give you some bunch of edges, for sure the first thing I think about is making an adjacency list and then doing some type of DFS on it, you know. You have an OnlyFans? Not yet, man. But let me know if you're interested. JavaScript? You can't be saying that, man. We don't discriminate against languages here. Except sometimes, maybe. Algo Monster had a little guide on this. Algo Monster. Oh, like a flowchart thing? Yeah. I guess maybe after you do some problems, you kind of create this graph in your head from experience, right? All right. Yet? Dang. Y'all interested in that type of stuff, man? Naked algorithms. Yeah, right. I ain't doing that. I forget what I was doing, man. Man. So let me finish my DFS maybe. It's like I gotta mark it as maybe I mark it as seen with this group ID thing. And then I iterate through I think this solution is not that great, but it might work, you know. I didn't even finish this for loop, man. Yeah, I think that's what I'm trying to do. So if it's true, that means we can go there. Otherwise, it's false. And I'm just trying to make sure that our group ID doesn't go over 2 or 2 or over. I knew how to do all the problems. Oh, are you talking about in this room? Yeah, I mean, you know how to do all the problems on LeetCode, BedSim. Everybody knows that. I don't think I've ever solved this one. So if group... Well, that would never happen. Let me think. Anyways, this is what I'm trying to do. Greaseball, thank you very much for the follow. I'm still struggling solving some medium and even some easies. Yeah, me too, man. I still struggle solving mediums, like maybe right now, you might say. All right, let me see if this works. Life is a struggle for some people. Yeah, for sure. Oh, man. I don't know what to do. I feel like I wrote some garbage code. Let me think what the hell I'm actually doing though. So I'm like iterating through And it's, oh, maybe this should be true. And then I set it to false. But I don't think that would make a difference here. Because it's like, what's actually happening? I don't know. So it goes in here, DFS, group ID, group IDs. That's of size N, okay. Are these things one indexed, man? Jesus Christ, man. Why they gotta be like that? Well, I guess I could do it here. Uh-oh. One. Let me think what's actually happening. 2 to 3. So everybody should be like disliked. I feel like I've been struggling lately on LeetCode, man. Maybe my mind ain't right. My mind ain't right these days. Zero, 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 zero. Oh, snap. So we need at least... Wait, how's that possible? How did we get... Oh, I see, like one hit up like 3, 4, 5. So this is saying they're all in the same group, but they shouldn't be, man. They should be in different groups. Alright, whatever I did was clearly not right, man. What the hell am I doing? Mine already left to Jamaica. Yeah, maybe. What the hell am I doing, man? Alright, I gotta rethink everything because I think I wasn't thinking right. Is it just a bipartite? And then where do you go? Man, this is not a good look for me if I'm trying to be a guardian. Let me look at this test case. So I'm like going through. Like these people can't be in the same group. Should I like just go through? Should I just go through all my things? Or go through all my edges? and just make sure that all the edges are good after I group them up like that. Anyways, I'm about to give up, man, and move on. Let me see somebody's solution. Oh, lordy. I can't read this, man. C. Let me look at somebody else's. Let me look at Brett's. Man, you guys use the same variable name. What does C mean? Alright. I don't know. Maybe I'm kind of like on the right track, but let me see what Q did. Q does more my style of coding. Like I can read Q stuff because it always looks like mine. Make some type of adjacency list and then dang, what? Scene. Okay. Interesting. For scene. So you just BFS or you just DFS everything? In its children, but then L. If scene L man, I don't even know what Q is doing. Maybe I just can't solve this problem. Jesus. It's an 1800 problem. Not feeling too good about that. So, all right, I gotta think a little bit more. Like, why does this not work? Let me think about that. So I have 1 and 2, and 1 and 3 can't be this in the same group. So if they're in the same group here, then it should return. Big struggles today, man. It's coming done using max flow, man. Why everybody talking about max flow lately? How's that 0, 0, 0, 0? So 1 should go to 4. And then I guess 4 goes to 3. And 3, I see. I see what's happening here. So let me think. How can I fix this, man? Maybe I gotta put in all the dislikes from 1 into one group, and a DFS those edges, put them into the group except for all right, let me erase whatever I have. Let me start over. Because I need to solve this one, man. All right, I guess I can leave that part. So let me go through all the nodes. Edmund's carp, man. Hey, loco. I don't even know what those things are. Wait. Let me control Z, actually. I'm gonna say group. Oh, I guess we have two different groups, right? So it's either gonna be ID 0 or ID 1. But then, all right, so it comes in ID 0. It's gonna mark 0 or group 1. So mark 1 as a 0, but we want it to be the opposite. And then we flip it so that the next time. Yeah, all right. Maybe that might work. It's a little bit wild, but it doesn't work at all. Man, I'm struggling big time with this problem for sure. So I'm trying to, I guess what I need to do, I need to mark all the dislike. I need to DFS into all the dislikes and put them in the same group. right? So if I hit 1, I hit 2, 3, put those in one group, and then I put 1 in the other group, and I hit 2. 2's already assigned a group, so I don't have to do anything. Man, all right, I'm gonna skip this problem. I need to probably try and do this problem another time. Semper Fidus, what's happening? I thinking to start some beginner LeetCode. Should I write down problem on paper first before solving? I don't know if he needs to write it down on paper. I've probably thrown into the void of no return. Yeah, maybe. Man, I don't know why this is so hard for me to think about, man. I feel like I have an idea, but my implementation is whack. Maybe I should just start over, you know? Everything. Just erase everything. I haven't really done any pen and... Well, that's a lie. I think writing it down on paper could help you, but I don't think... Yeah, sure, why not? Write down on paper if you find it helpful. I think I did that a lot for like recursion and binary trees and stuff. But these days I just try and use like ASCII art. Unless it's a graph problem, then I'll take out a pen on the screen and do things. All right, possible bipartition. I need to clear my mind and go again, man. Sometimes you gotta do that. Do interviews ever allow drawing for graph problems? Who knows? I've only done like one interview, man. Robert Pilly, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream. Or do they make you raw dog it? Yeah, I don't know, man. I think we'll see. We'll see. I don't know what people do for interviews. Maybe someone with more interview experience can say. Unknown from YouTube. Good morning from India. Welcome to the party, my friend. The struggle fest is on right now. Even after looking at everybody's solution, I still don't know what to do, man. Isn't that crazy? Starting to mess with my head. But my idea that I need to implement correctly is to DFS. No, maybe wait. I don't even know what my idea is. This was one of the first graph problems I ever read about. Man, I've never even seen this problem before. All right, let me bring out my pen. Let me bring out the pen, man. The struggle is real out here. All right, so we got 1. These are like bad connections. They can't be in the same group. But how do you represent that, man? Maybe it's just a dang... Maybe it's just a bipartite, man, because like This would be, what are the, these would be one thing, and those would be the next color. So I visit all the children there, color it one thing. Maybe I should have drawn it out a long time ago. So I just, man, maybe it's just because it's been so long since I've done a bipartite. All right, let me try it now. Try coloring white or black. Yeah, I think. let me see if it will work, huh? How do I do that? Color, size N. Maybe. So every time I visit a child node, I switch the colors, right? I guess I gotta create my adjacency list again. Let me hide this. No condom Chris. Thank you for calling me out, man, because every problem that goes into the star, one of these lists, it almost never gets viewed again because I don't study offline. All of my studying is done on Twitch, basically. I can't even remember to the dang daily problem when I don't stream. That's how much I think about LeetCode off stream. I don't think about it at all. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna source destination. All right, that's the adjacency list. Make my DFS. What do we need here? We need like the color. Well, we need the node. We need the color. And I guess we'll say like if the color, if it's colored, well, if it's colored, then if color x not equals color, then it's false because it's not bipartite. Otherwise, I guess we can just like return color x equal color. Then I want to visit all the children's and swap the colors, right? Why don't you use custom macros templates for C++? Typing would be a lot easier. Yeah, I'm not that into making those template stuff yet. I suppose as I progress more, maybe I might get into that, but I can't be bothered is the real answer. Petite Code, what's happening? Welcome to the party. I am new here, but I truly love the vibe. So chill. Thank you. Thank you. Well, during the day, I appreciate Prime, just like coffee. During the night, I appreciate Midnight Simon, just like what? Weed, maybe? I take that as a great compliment, man. Yeah, I'm not as hype as Prime. I'm a little bit sick right now too. All right, here we go, here we go. I want to iterate over the children. And then I just DFS. And then I flip the color, right? But then if this is false, we can just return. Right? I don't know if this is gonna work, because what if it's not fully connected, you know? Then what? Want to see this guy try both at once? Both at once? What are you talking about, man? Like a DP problem or something? Alright, if I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, man. Oh, two times here. Oh, three times here. I'm about to give up, man. I'm about to never do this problem ever again. Oh, I never color it. That's one. Never give up. I give up all the time, man. Where the hell am I going wrong? Like, applying non-zero offset 24 to null pointer. What are they talking about, man? Jesus Christ. Well, oh my god, I forgot. It's one indexed also. Jesus Christ. I mean, I got pretty close to the end. That means I'm almost there. 1, 2. So 1 gets colored 0, 2 gets colored 1. 2 doesn't go anywhere after that. Well, so then it never hits 3. How do I deal with this? 3 gets colored, I guess 0, and then 4 gets colored 1. Oh yeah, so I guess I have to be like, oops. So if color I Frank Raimi, thank you very much for the follow. I am struggling, super struggling. Clearly, bipartite graphs is one of my weaknesses. Clearly. Man, this problem was so easy, man. I don't know why. I don't know what the hell is wrong with me today. I'm gonna blame it on my sickness right now because I'm a little bit sick. Shubham Singh from YouTube, what's happened? Hey, good morning from India. Recently, I reached Guardian. Oh man, that's a big accomplishment. Some people try for many years and they still can't reach Guardian, like myself. When do you use this for the function? This means that this lambda can reference anything declared in the parent function. I think probably, like, to be more deliberate, I could say, I don't know how it works. Like you put the things you want to reference. Like I use colors, you'd put like colors in there. Also use the adjacency list. I would put the adjacency list in there. You don't need ints? What are you talking about, ints? It's just you don't invest more time? What? Yeah, it's for having access to that. I forget the syntax, so let me try. Do I have to put the ampersand in front of everything, or is it just like colors? If I did like that, would it work? I think I have to do it like that. Yeah. So there you go. Does that make a difference? Maybe. Maybe because it doesn't have to reference the whole thing. What about that also DFS? Yeah, so this is like making sure that this has access to the DFS function. I don't really know. You should just use ampersand. Yeah, I usually just use ampersand, but I don't know what the compiler does. Does writing bool make a difference? I mean, it is a bool. You know, not return, but I guess a boolean could be an int, 0 or 1, but all those other ints are not used, so why use an int? I guess it could be a char, if that's what you're saying too. And it might like just convert these to a char. But why would you do that, you know, when you don't plan to use those things? Sergeant Pepper, what's happening? Welcome to the party. All right, I finally solved one problem in this room in 50 minutes. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Such a shame. Shameful right now. Shameful feelings. Should I read this real quick? Mice and cheese. There are 2 mice and n different types of cheese. Each type of cheese should be eaten by exactly 1 mouse. A point of the cheese with index I, 0 indexed, is reward 1 if the first mouse eats it, reward 2 if the second mouse eats it. Dang, is this stone game, but instead of Alice and Bob, we got mice, and instead of stones, we got cheese? You're given a positive integer array, reward 1, and a positive integer array, reward 2, and a negative integer k. Return the maximum points the mice can achieve if the first mouse eats exactly k types of cheese. Oh, this is one of them diff problems where you gotta sort by the diffs or something, and then Wait. So it's like the first mouse eats K types, and then the second mouse eats all the rest of the types. You're supposed to solve this one like a month ago. Have I ever solved this? I don't think. I've never read this problem in my life. So I'd think, I don't know if I'll solve it right now. Maybe I should try. I think you just sort on the diffs and you take like the biggest, either the biggest diffs for the first mouse and then all the rest for the second mouse, or like maybe not the diff, maybe it's like the sum of the rewards. I don't know yet, man. Or maybe it is the diff. All right, let me think. Let me just go through the example and then see which one works. But I do believe it's one of them dang sorting things, and you have to compare the two indices. So this is like reward 1, reward 2. And the answer is 15. Well, k equals 2. So the first mouse has to eat 2 things. So I guess he'll eat 3 and 4. Like, maybe I sort from R1 I minus R2 I. Yeah. How do I do that? How do I do that, man? Do I use a pair? Pair of ints, pair int ints, pair int, pair int int. And then I just put the diff in the first one and then the 2 rewards in the second one or something. I'm gonna try that. And then PP. Array int 3, man. You know, I almost never use arrays, BetSim, because I don't know the syntax for arrays. I'm not gonna lie, man. But I think if I want to move on up in life, I gotta stop ignoring the arrays and start using them, because of that one problem that TLE'd unless I used an array. You know, like when I use the vector, it TLE'd, but when I use the array, it worked. You know. Imagine typing PP during a contest. I do it all the time, BetSimp. Every single time I use some type of PP thing. -5 rankings, yeah. But my plan, here's my plan, man. My plan is to get as good as I can without micro optimizations like that. Like just on raw knowledge and speed. Well, not typing speed, but just on knowledge, right? And then once I hit that plateau, I start doing the micro optimizations, like stop using PP and start using templates and all of that stuff, you know. But maybe that's not the play. Nerfing himself. Maybe. Small PP energy? Nah, come on now. Got the Rock Lee ankle weights. What's that? Are you talking Rock Lee ankle weights? Man, it's kind of like I hear some long distance runners training in the mountains where the air is thin, and they're like, man, if I can run these times on 10% oxygen, imagine when I'm at sea level running on 100% oxygen, man. I'm gonna kill it. So I'm doing some altitude training right now. That's how I see things sometimes. That's what I tell myself, at least. I ain't actually doing any type of real training. That's why I went to Colombia. Yeah, you train on slow internet. Anyways, Rock Lee right here. Man, I don't even know who Rock Lee is. It's a dang cartoon character, man. Come on now. Jesus Christ. I'm talking about real life. Y'all talking about cartoon characters. Anyways. Man's talking mad shit. Nah, come on. Rock Lee's from Naruto. Yeah. What's happened, Brandon McDonald? Welcome. How is this different from Type Def? Oh, Pankaj in the house. What's happened? Not cartoon. Anime. My bad, my bad. I'm just talking nonsense. Wait, how much time do we have? 1 minute. I don't know. Should I try and solve this problem real quick? I got distracted. Let me solve it real quick. So what are we doing? And we're gonna put things push back diff and then reward 1, reward 2, right? Yeah. yeah. And then I sort. Maybe R begin. And then I go from and then I'm like, if I is less than K, if I is less than K, then we want things dot second dot first, things dot second dot second. That's what I do, man. Let me see if it works. I'll be away from what happened. I'm gonna be traveling. I'm going back to my village. All right, easy work. Q2 was easy. Anyways, I just did the mediums. Let me see the scoreboard here. Bet Simp, all of them. Brett, 3 of them. IIKK or LLKK, 2 of them. Q Ultimus, 2 of them. System Designs, the 3rd one. Very nice. Y'all ready for another one? Yeah, so Pankaj, I'll be going back to my home village for a week or so. So I'll be like not streaming during those days. But maybe I might do one pop-up stream. But I make no promises, man. Found the weeb? Who's the weeb? All of y'all are weebs, man. Everybody knows that. IRL? LeetCode contest from the village. Yeah, I was thinking about doing that, Brent Arata, but I don't know if my internet in the village is good enough to stream. That's my only issue. We got some really bad internet. Internet is definitely not good enough. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Type racing time. We'll do Type Racer and then we'll do another room, man. I'm very disappointed in my performance in this room. So we gotta hit that dang thing. LeetCode, smoking LeetCode at the village. If anything, man, maybe I'll try to do a short stream in my village. We'll see if it works out though. I'm gonna bring like my camera. Well, not this camera. I'm gonna bring that camera. This camera never moves. This is like my old camera. Do IRL stream? Nah, I don't. Definitely don't have internet for an IRL stream. Need to get that Google Fiber in the village. Yeah, man. Like, internet's supposed to be good in some parts of the country, but my village is like a little bit away from the main area, so I don't think the internet goes all the way up to my village like that, man. Forget Starlink. Yeah, I know a few people who have Starlink that say it works pretty well, but I don't think I got time to get Starlink, man. Hidden Leaf Village. I don't know, is that another cartoon reference, man? Let me see. Dang, another Naruto anime reference. Should I be watching Naruto one of these days? Probably not. From Village, would be cool to see some green. Yeah, it's super green out there, man. Yeah, I know, like, one of my cousins has Starlink. I should see how it does. Which country am I going to? I'm going to Jamaica. Even Twitch CEO DJ Clancy uses Starlink. Naruto is cartoon, yeah. Who's got time for those Chinese cartoons? Are you Native American? I am not Native American. I am a naturalized American. So I can't be president, unfortunately. Simon's sitting on a tractor and doing LeetCode in the village. Man, my village don't even have tractors, Pankaj. I'll tell you what my village has. We got rivers. We got lots of stray dogs. We got lots of trees and plants and flowers. Yeah. Yeah, the village has a river for sure. Did you grow up in Jamaica? Yeah, I left Jamaica when I was like 13 or 14. Cows? No cows, I think. They have jerk chicken and rice. Yeah, but nobody likes jerk chicken in Jamaica, man. It's all about jerk pork. Jerk pork is the best type of jerk meat that you can do. Jerk chicken is always too dry and not that great. Jerk pork is where it's really at, man. Means you can't apply to FBI? That's not true, man. You gotta be a natural born American to work at the FBI? I don't think so, man. Do you know Michael Holding? I do not. You gotta become Hawk Age? What is that, man? Gotta really try it. Yeah, jerk pork though, man. I don't think you can get true jerk pork unless you go to Jamaica. Because the way they cook jerk pork is very not likely to pass health inspections in America, man. That's for sure. Control Alt Scalderon, how you doing? How am I? I'm chilling, man. You can do FBI. Let's apply now. Crazy. Is jerk chicken like the Hawaiian pizza? I don't know what that means, but no, jerk chicken is just like, why would you get chicken when you can get pork? It's one of the great sets fast bowlers. Oh, you're talking about cricket, man. The only cricket player I know is Brian Lara, but I don't watch cricket. Oh, no jerk slander. Anyways, why have you moved from Jamaica? I moved from Jamaica to America, the land of opportunity, man. Ain't no opportunities in Jamaica unless you're trying to start a business, I suppose. Then there's many opportunities. But if you're just trying to, like, you know, get a job, ain't no jobs out there. FBI gonna get back to Pat soon? Nice. Man, Brandon McDonald, you love Naruto, man. Giving me flashbacks to third world stomach bugs. What? Nah, Jamaica ain't no stomach bug country. That's what I've been trying to tell all my Muslim friends. Why chicken instead of pork? Well, I guess cholesterol is one reason. I should probably eat jerk chicken more. You know Brian Lara? Yeah, who doesn't know Brian Lara, man? At least from the West Indies. Are you the Jeff? Yeah, right. Maybe. Anyways, we have a type racer to do. So who's here for type racer, man? We're gonna bet. Who redeemed that, by the way? Smart Coder. Smart Coder redeemed type racer. Should we run that bet back, man? No Condom Chris versus. Let's just redo it, because I'm lazy. Q versus NCC. We're gonna redo No Condom Chris plus Smart Coder, and me and Q. Here we go. Run it back. Last time me and Q beat No Condom Chris and Smart Coder. I go all in. Dang, how many channel points do you got? And also, y'all need to chill with the channel point bets. Jesus, 60,000. I was gonna say, I'm about to add some new redemptions probably when I get back from Jamaica. But man, if you lose all your money, that would be sad. All right, place your bets. Who's gonna win? No Condom Chris and Smart Coder, or me and Q? Those are some big bets. I think, man, Smart Coder, you gotta put more money up. Yeah, look at those odds. Look at those odds. I think this team is gonna lose, man. No Condom Chris putting some money in. So I've been trying to think what, like, we need a redemption for 100K, and I think maybe one for like 30 to 50K. But I'm not sure what it should be. I have some ideas though. Anyways, here we go. Let me create the racetrack. $30 discount, man. Q, I'll tell you something. 30% discount is gonna happen one day. So don't spend your money, man. Don't try and drop below 700K. It's gonna happen, I promise. Because I need to get rid of this dang keyboard. Anyways, there's a type racer. And let me put it in the Discord. What's in secret Discord? Man, not much. I don't post that much. All right, first race is the warm-up. Second race is the championship round. So, Smart Coder, No Condom Chris. This is me. This is Q. Man, everybody, y'all need to choose some new cars. Anyway, that's just the warm-up. In Rosis, aka Unknown Guest, 120 miles per hour. No Condom Chris, 119. But just the warm-up, man. Don't get nervous. Lots of money on the line. Oh man, I gotta get ready for this big race. Man, look who it is. The real Raymond Jones out there at 0 miles per hour. Pankaj, 50 miles per hour. Very nice, very nice. Here we go. No pressure, guys. Yeah, no pressure. Oh man. Ready. I'm ready. Are y'all ready? Man, there's a lot of FIFA in this race. This is a long text. Oh snap. Looks like we got him, Q. Looks like we got him, man. Very nice. Easy work out there, man. Smart coder. Easy work. 87. 99. Almost hit 100. Man, who's that guest? If you're that guest, take a screenshot. 123 miles per hour. Easy money. Look at that. 1 WPM difference there, and then like 12 WPMs difference with me and Smart Coder. I say guests don't count. Yeah, who's that guest? Screenshot from the guest if you want your name to go up on the board. All right. Man, AKSR lost all the money. How do I get above 100? Yeah, I'm trying to... Oh, allow NKYZ. Allow Nikes? Oh, that looks like proof to me, man. Congratulations. Allow Nikes? I don't know how to say it. But new type racer champ. He was going for the dang three-peat. Couldn't get it though. But hit that juicy payday. All right. Dang. Did I spell that right? NKYZ. NKYZ. 123. Latest type racer champ. Easy work. And then let me choose the bet. Let me choose the bet, man. Oh lordy, in Rosis winning big bucks. No Quantum Chris gonna be broke soon. Dang, big bucks paid off. In Rosis now has $120,000, man. You can buy the 100K redemption whenever we add it. Which is, I don't know what. Maybe I'll buy some things from Jamaica and bring it back. And I sell them for channel points. I don't know what to do. I'll give it some thought. I get some. You can get like 100 Big Macs. Nah, we don't eat Big Macs out here that often. Anyways, this is the first bet I lost in your stream. No way. Wait, let me see how much money you lost, man. $22,000. Is it? You must have lost something else, man. We all win, we all lose out here. Thank you. I've been practicing all my life for this moment. Oh man, you coming in clutch though. Congrats on the big win. Like getting on this board, this Type Racer leaderboard, it's a major accomplishment, man. I think you can probably put this on your resume and you'll get people like giving you some respect. If you're on this board, it means you are an elite typer. If you are an elite typer, it means you probably spent a lot of time on the computer. If you spent a lot of time on the computer, it means that you probably should know how to program pretty good. My max is 19. I tried hard. Yeah. I think before I started to stream, I used my thing used to be around 75 to 80 WPMs. But since like 3 years of streaming, I think I can hit like 95 to 95-ish. So I probably raise it by like 15 WPMs. What's the highest someone hit? Yeah, Zapak. 168 maybe? Yeah, 168 twice, Zapak. But Zapak is like a legit Type Racer. He's on the real Type Racer leaderboards, man. He's like on the Hall of Fame. I don't know where his name is at. But, man. Maybe we'll just type his name in. Yeah, here's Zapak. 10,000 races. Jesus. Man, he's been slow lately, though. Oh, wait. Maybe we can cross-reference. June 14th, 2023. June, yeah. So this must have been it. This right here. June 15th. It's crazy. 192 best speed. Yeah. Crazy stuff, man. I'm telling you. We're doing a race. Pixel Pusher is also one of the fastest typers out here. Pixel Pusher, you just missed it, man. Pixel Pusher hits that 160 plus. That's that dang Autobahn speed, man. Oh, dang, Matt 156 is in here too. All right, we got some major players in here. I'll do one more Type Racer free of charge. Like, I'll even redeem it myself if I knew how to redeem it. But I can't. We'll do one, like, no warm-up, straight to the championship round. Bet max top 3 is greater than 120. I'm too drunk for this. All right, let's make a bet, man. We're going to bet on the top speed overall. So who's in here? Matt 156 is here. Pixel Pusher is in here. Inrosis is in here. One more bet, and then we'll do one more LeetRooms, and then I'm out of here. Max type. Wait. Is it gonna be over 145? Well, depends. I don't know. This is basically just asking, is Pixel Pusher going to hit a 145? All right, 130, 130. All right. How about the max of average top 3 greater than 120? How about that? Or wait, that's basically, I think that's what SmartCode was saying. The top three typers greater than 120, greater than equal to 120. That's the bet. Yes or no? All of them, not even average. All of them need to be higher than 120 is too low. All right, you heard it, guys. Inrosu says 120 is too low. Let's bump it to 125. There we go. Place your bets. Wait. Wait. My bad. I'm gonna do that real quick. Again. Top 3 Grayson equal to 125. I have to redo it because 2 minutes to bet. The top 3 all have greater than 125 WPMs. That's what we're about to bet on. There's going to be no warm-up round. It's going to be straight into the championships. Place your bets. This is a big bet. I don't know. I think there's a lot of RNG here. Depends on Pixel Pusher. It depends on Inrosis, Matt 156, No Condom Chris. Q Ultimus can also hit 125. I don't know who else can hit 125 out here. But I think, dang, Matt 156 says no. Oh lordy. This is I don't know if this is a great bet. Time to double up. Yeah, I'd say no. This is unlikely, man. If I were a betting man, I would go all in on no. Do you look at your keyboard when typing? I try not to. I try and just read the passage, but sometimes I have to look down again. Piss Bucket is in the house. Alright, top 3. Let's go. Dang, Asia C. Mac, yes. Yeah, smart coder. I realize this. I realize that, man. But hopefully everyone plays with honor and integrity here. I suppose that's why the bets aren't crazy. Because there is a chance someone is going to be dishonest. Alright, let's do it. Type Racer. 1 Type Racer, 1 LeetRooms. And maybe that's it, man. Well, I guess the dang racetrack is already here. So I'll just... Oops. Dang. My bad. Let me resend that. There's the race. Alright, everybody, get in here. This is... Oops. Yeah, well, the bet's over. This is the championship round. There is no other warm-up, nothing. It's straight to the championship. Let me make sure we got everybody in here. We got No Condom Chris. We got Six Pack Sexy, or Inrosis, Pixel Pusher, Piss Bucket, Pankaj, Q, Matt 156. All right, all the speed demons are here. Let's go. And me. I don't think I'll get a 125 here, but I'm going to try. Man, that was tough. Oh, man. Looks like we didn't make it, man. Pixel Pusher for sure made it, and then nobody else hit a 125, man. That was a tough passage, though. I'm not going to lie. Yeah, that was super tough for sure. Not even close. Need more fair bet. Yeah. Not even close, man. Alright. I'm sorry, everybody, but... Oh, easy money for No Condom Chris, Clistar, Matt 156, Pixel Pusher, Inrosis, dang, Asia C, Matt, Q Ultimus, Real Raymond Jones. All right, let me choose that outcome. Top 3 get greater than 125. Nah, man, that was way too hard. Unfortunately. Anyways, back to LeetCode, man. We've been joking around for too long. You ready for a new room? Because I am ready, man. I'm ready for it. Wait, I am Moria. Need more practice. Wait, I didn't see what you get, but we all need more practice except Pixel Pusher. Had 100 WPMs and was still in 8th place. Yeah. People are fast for sure. Lucas D Rapid. Glad I clicked the stream and made the race. Yeah, type racing is fun, man. I get nervous every time there's a championship round. All right. Let me change this unpin. All right, LeetRooms. Who wants to do LeetRooms? We got course schedule. We got 0-1 matrix. I'm not going to do course schedule. I've already done it many times. I'm going to focus on the hard problems this round. Got maximum employees to be invited to a meeting. Handling some queries after updates. Oh. This sounds like a dang Fenwick tree thing or whatever that Brett taught me the other day. All right. No peeking at 0 track allowed. Come on now. You think? All right, let's see. Maximum employees to be invited to a meeting. A company is organizing a meeting and has a list of N employees waiting to be invited. They have arranged for a large circular table capable of seating any number of employees. The employees are numbered from 0 to N-1. Each employee has a favorite person, and they will attend the meeting only if they can sit next to their favorite person at the table. The favorite person of an employee is not themselves. Given a 0 index integer array favorite, where favorite I denotes the favorite person of the ith employee, return the maximum number of employees that can be invited to the meeting. Q4 is easier though? Oh lordy. Carpooling? What's this, Elminson? You want me to do this problem or something? Wait, sorry. These, I don't know what you want me to do with that problem. You want me to like do it for you? Man, I can't be doing it after I just made the room though. Hold on, let me try a hard problem. Do you need premium to join? See Lurk. You need to get an extension called LeetRooms. And it's only for Chrome. Alright, so favorite 2. The answer is 3. Dang, 10 to the 5th. Dang, 36%. All right, the figure above shows how the company can invite employees 0, 1, and 2 and seat them at the round table. All employees cannot be invited because employee 2 cannot sit beside employee 0, 1, and 3 simultaneously. Oh, I see. Everybody's favorite person is employee 2. So that means 0, 1. Wait. I see. Man, I have no ideas yet. Favorites. So I say 4 people because 3 can sit. 0 and 3 gotta be next, or 0 gotta be next to 3. 1 gotta be next to 0. I gotta put some indices over here, man. No Condom Chris says I can't look at 0 track, man. Oh, lordy. Alright, these, I guess 0 has to sit next to 3, 1 has to sit next to 0, 2 has to sit next to 1. Three next to 4, and 4 next to 1. So it's like, what do I even do here, man? Is it like a take it or leave it? So iterate through. Either we can put 0 and 3 next to each other. And then we're here. Now we gotta put 0 and 1 next to each other. I guess we can say 0 and 1. So now that can work. But now 0 is full. 0 can't have any more people next to it if we took these first 2. And now 2 has to sit next to 1. I guess 1 only has 1 person, so yeah, we could put 2 next to 1. That works. Or we can not, and we can skip. But let's say we're just taking everything as we go. And now they're saying, oh man, 3 next to 4. So we can do that. But now 4 needs to sit next to 1. But 1, it's impossible. So this will like not be good. I don't know what I'm thinking, man. This problem seems like, how do I do it? How do I do it? What can I do here? I feel like it's some type of DFS type thing, you know? Let me look at this one. So 0 needs to sit next to 2. Put them like that. 1 needs to sit next to 2. I guess we can do that. 2 needs to sit next to 1. It's already like that. Excuse me. And 3 needs to sit next to 2. Which is not possible because 2 already has 2 people next to it. All right, let me think. So it seems you can only put two people next to one person. So if a number is a favorite more than once, it's only possible to choose two of them at most. But how do I, well, like, where do I go from there, man? Let me go back to this example. So, like this one appears twice. So that means 2 can sit next to 1, and 4 can also sit next to 1. Pixel Pusher, thank you very much for that hydrate. Cheers. Two sits next to 1, 4 sits next to 1, but who does 1 want to sit next to, man? 1 wants to sit next to 0, so that means we can't have both 2 and 4 and 1 be happy. And 0 wants to sit next to 3. Zero next to 3. 3 next to 4. Oh, Ingest Dell, thank you very much for those bits. I can't wait for this. I can wait for the solution. What? Man, I don't know the solution here. Um, 9826. Wait. 9826. Excuse me. In Jesdell, thank you very much for those bits, man. Appreciate it. Alright, so I wonder if I just DFS, man. So, but where do I start? Alright, let's go 0. 0 wants to hit 3. And then 3 wants to sit next to 4. And then 4 wants to sit next to 1. And then 1 wants to sit next to 0. And everything is good. That's great, right? So that's 1 DFS, returns 4. I don't know. Because I can't just DFS like everything, you know? Alright, so 1 sit next to 0, and then 0 next to 3, and then 3 next to 4, and then 4 next to 1. So that's also good. But what if we started here? 2 sits next to 1. This is 2450 rated. Pixel Pusher, thank you for letting me know, man. It seems really hard. But no Condom Chris says I'm not allowed to look at the ratings. Because now my brain is just gonna shut down now. So 2 next to 1. 1 next to 0. 0 next to 3. But 3 wants to be next to 4, so I guess I can put 4 there. But 4 wants to be next to 1, but 1 is already take, so like this is not possible. Yeah, no worries, Pixel Pusher. DFS must be your favorite. I don't think it's my favorite, but I think it's a useful tool, especially when you got things like these. But I don't even know how to solve this problem, man. Like, what else? What else could this one be? Is it like a take it or leave it? No. I don't know, man. Is this one too hard for me? Let me see. Let me see who's out here. Keep trying, don't give up. Man, 2450, that's too hard. What can I do? What can I do? Like, I'm thinking take it or leave it, but like I don't even know how to. Because if I take an employee or I skip them, like how do I determine? Does that even work? I don't know if that works. You get gains even if you don't solve it. Good workout. Maybe. Are we allowed to give hints? If the hints aren't too crazy. Like, I mean, at some point you can give crazy hints, but try to like tone them down a bit. You can just look at all the hints. Bitwise one-line functions. What do you mean, man? You can look at all the hints. Should I look at the hints already? Let me look at one of them. Or let me look at, I don't know which one is a better hint. The topics or the hints, you know? Let me look at the topics first. DFS, all right. Look at that. Top sort, what the hell, man? Top sort. Is that a strong hint? Okay, so I guess we can think of these as edges, right? Top sort. The fuck? So you'd want to like start with source nodes? I guess people who are not favorites. Let me look at this one first. So 3 is not a favorite. Neither is 0. What does that mean, man? So I guess that means 3, 0. Not favorites. We put them in. We start the queue. That means nobody wants to sit next to them, but they want to sit next to somebody. So 0 wants to sit next to 2, and 3 also wants to sit next to 2. So I guess it would look like that. And then now Now 2 has an in degree. Oh wait, there's also 1. No, 1 is a favorite. I wrote that reduce with the bitwise right shift one-liner last time for the palindrome and he didn't test it. I didn't test it. I didn't know what you're writing, probably, man. Anyways, did my pin message just disappear? Wait, I'm trying to remember. Was that was that like some JavaScript thing? Or so with an arrow function or something? Yeah, I don't really know JavaScript like that, man. I think I did try it, and it just didn't work. Try vanilla JS, what's happening? Alright, top sort. You didn't run it. I have a good memory too, man. I'm pretty sure I ran it. Man, in Jess Dell. Thank you very much for the gifted sub. You getting decorated tonight, man. Dang, look at that. Star, diamond, star. Thank you very much. Excuse me. Icy Black Deep. What's happened? Arrow functions are like functions, except they need a new syntax to fix this. I don't know what you just said. Anyways, let me look at this. Top sort. So top sort. I'm gonna put in, I guess, 2. And we'll go from 2. So 2 wants to sit next to 1. Wait, let me clear. Let me not use this pen thing. Let me just do it the good old fashioned. Let me do my count. So 0 has 1 in degree, 3 has 1 in degree. 1 has 1 in degree. 4 has... Wait, 1 has 2 in degrees, 4 has 1 in degree. That means we start with 0, or I mean 2. So we pop 2. And then we visit, who does 2 want? 2 wants 1. So we go to 1. Man, how do I even do this? But 1 can't be added. Alright, time to read another hint, man. From the given array, favorite, create a graph where for every index I, there is a directed edge from favorite I to I. The graph will be a combination of cycles and chains of acyclic edges. Now, what are the ways in which we can choose employees to sit at a table? So, directed edge from favorites I to I. So we go from 3 directed edge to 0, right? That's this one. We go from 0 to 1, right? We go from 1 to 2. We go from 4 to 3. And then we go from 1 to 4. So that's how this graph looks. And you're saying they're just asking the longest repeated cycle or the longest path in the graph without cycles. Is that what this question is all about, man? Longest path without cycles. How do I join the room? Random kata or random katka. You got to download an extension called LeetRooms, and it only works for Chrome. And then you enter that room code. Preet, how you doing? I'm doing all right, man. I'm like struggling on this hard problem. Senior Overflow, what's happened? Welcome to the stream. What do I think about C++20? Man, I gotta be honest. I don't know what the difference is in all the different C++s. So like I don't know what features were added in C++20 versus C++17 versus C++11. I don't know any of that stuff, man. So, yeah, I don't really have much of an opinion. Technically, it works for other browsers that use Chromium. Which browsers? Like not Firefox? Studying for my linear algebra final tomorrow. Man, good luck. I don't know much about linear algebra, except something to do with matrices. C++20 brought a lot of functionality. Brave, Edge, Credge, what? Anyways, so I think this is like I don't know what this is like. Longest path to without cycles. 0, 1. Let me look at this first input and draw that out based on what they said. How much time? It is 11:36. All right, so 2 goes to 0. 2 goes to 1. 1 goes to 2. And 2 goes to 3. Senior Overflow, thank you very much for that follow. Yeah, I guess it might just be asking the longest path. How do I find it? So I create that dang adjacency list thing. And then do I do a double DFS, man? Double DFS. Or what? Four goes to 3. And 1 goes to 4. So if I chose any node, DFS, found the furthest node. Oh, it's directed. So maybe that double DFS only works with bidirectional. I mean, it must just be like the dang longest path. 1, 2, 3. But from where do we start? Should I just try and code some stuff up? The main feature is coroutines. Did C++20 add coroutines, or is that the one where it's in the language but the actual implementation is not in standard? Man, you guys study that C++ stuff. When will stream start back up again? I'm thinking maybe like May 4th, potentially. I believe in you, man. Man, thank you. Alright, I'm just gonna try. Nobody wants to do Q3, it seems, in the room. Pank Aj, enjoy yourself at school, man. Thank you for tuning in today. And I'll see you when I get back from... Maybe I might even stream while I'm on vacation, but you never know. Wait, is it 1 indexed? 0 indexed. Can I let B Beck across the finish line first? Oh, man. Man, I think B Becker is already a guardian in my eyes, man. He's done so much work. He's put in tons of work, man. I don't think y'all know how much this guy has studied. He's insane. Like, he's for sure, like, man. Viveka is killing it, man. Very inspirational. He's so close to Guardian. I think if he has like a couple more great performances, he's done 2,000 problems. Insane is what I think. Super, super close. I think he's gonna get it, man. He's not gonna stop until he gets it. But it does make me feel like I can't let him get away too far, you know? Anyways. I'm also thinking, like, what's more important to me? Like, Guardian it's important to get Guardian. But I think it's also important to me that I should probably spend time on content creation and not just, like, training LeetCode like a dang monk, you know? I think it needs to be a mixture of like good content and like good progression, which is hard to balance, man, because every time or every minute I spend in content creation, it's taken away from my studies also, you know. Guardian is content in itself. Yeah, so that's why I feel like Guardian is very important for me to hit, because it's like a goal that I set for myself, and I think I want to hit that goal, but I also want to spend time like editing videos and shit like that, man, which takes away from other things I gotta do. So we'll see. You gotta be the Naruto. Vibeka is, man, I don't know anything about Naruto. All you people keep talking about it, man. Every minute you spend in content creation is another minute Vibeka's grinding LeetCode. Yeah, that's how I feel, man. Vibeka out there grinding LeetCode. I'm out here trying to like do both, create content and grind LeetCode. And I don't know. Robodom, thank you very much for the hydrate. Chrysler, how you doing? Nice t-shirt or nice shirt. Thank you, thank you. Drink? Anyways. Yeah, man. B Becca. Killing it, man. I'm so happy for him. Like, I know he's put in a lot of effort. And I know sometimes he's probably like doubted things, you know. We used to talk a lot about, you know, grinding up there and trying to like raise our ranking and how these people are so insane and we're not that type of person. Like we're not the type of person to be know all that math and stuff like that. But man, B Becca is that type of person now, when we used to think that neither of us were that type of person, you know. And seeing B Becca like accomplish what he sets his mind to, and like he's just relentless in his pursuit of whatever he puts his mind to. It's like very inspirational. And I talk about this all the time, man. I draw a lot of inspiration from watching B Becca operate. He's influenced me in so many ways. Like I've never seen anyone move the way he moves, man. He's like insane. He's a true Navy SEAL, I think. B Becca is basically, he's a Navy SEAL, man. I have no doubts in my mind. If he if he went to go to Bud's training, he would be a Navy SEAL. 100%. No way he would not become a Navy SEAL, you know. B Becca got a new job, or did he reach Guardian? He's already a Guardian, man. He just needs to take time for his rating to be realized. I want to tell B Becca to apply to FBI for him to take the fitness test. What do you mean? I mean, he'll crush that fitness test, I'm sure. B Becca is fit. B Becca works out like he does LeetCode. Streams? He used to stream. I think he's on a hiatus right now. B Becca was my main training partner throughout all of my LeetCode history. We met in some bootleg ass school, and then we kind of just became friends and training partners, and we rose up through the ranks together. And he used to be my roommate also. B Becca is the total package, yeah. He is super fit, man. Anyways, what was I even doing? So I'm just trying to figure out the longest cycle in the thing. But how do I even know where to start? And like, what if All right, let me did I already draw this one? I don't know. This might be it for me, man. Let me read another hint. Reaper Sin 710, thank you very much for the follow. The first way by which we can choose employees is by selecting a cycle of the graph. It can be proven that in this case, the employees that do not lie in the cycle can never be seated at the table. Barreled Out, how you doing? Welcome to the party. Selecting a cycle, the longest cycle in the graph. This is too hard, yeah, Elminson, for real. Combining acyclic chains. Oh, so it's either the longest cycle or two chains can be combined by a cycle of length 2, where each chain ends one of the plays in the cycle. Either the longest cycle. You're cooking? Man, I'm not cooking. I'm following a recipe. Well, I guess that is cooking, but it's cooking from the back of the box on the instructions, man. But I think I saw, like, after reading the first hint, I was able to see the cycle thing. But this second thing, like, I don't even know what this means, man. Combining acyclic chains. So, all right, so let me look at what is an acyclic chain. I guess, like, who knows? At most, two chains can be combined by a cycle of length 2. Not cyclic, yeah. But I guess I need to see an example with this second way. Each chain ends on one of the employees in the circle. Do they mean like somebody wants to go there, wants to go there, and then this person wants to sit next to this person, wants to sit next to that person? Let me see if that's possible. So, is that even possible, man? Like, 1 sit next to 2. 2 wants to sit next to 3. 5 wants to sit next to 3. Four wants to sit next to 5. But then, like, what happens here? Anyways, maybe I should just, like, try something, man. Like, excuse me. There's a cycle, You just like remember the maximum length. Or should this be like at what time did we see N and we should mark that? I don't know. Ready for your vacation? Nah, I gotta pack after I stream. I gotta like pack, I gotta transfer a bunch of stuff to my new laptop right here. I gotta put all my editing softwares and videos and whatnot. I gotta pack clothes. Got a new laptop, yeah, man. Usually, is that a MacBook? Nah, this is a. I don't even know, man. I think it's a. Let me see. G14. Yeah, it's one of them. It's probably like this one, man. I bought it open box. Yeah, it is this one. Bought that shit open box, man. Right here. Pretty much. Perfect laptop for the LeetCode contest. I don't know about all that. Wait, this is a G16. I'm talking about the G14. So I got the 14-inch, not the 16. And I have the 4060 in there. So, but it was like less than 1,000. New toy? Chromebook? Nah. Should I have bought a Chromebook? I don't think so. Just shove a bunch of clothes into the suitcase. That's what I do, but I need to bring all my recording equipment, audio equipment, camera equipment, and shit like that. Lights, stuff like that, you know. Can you play games on it? I'm sure I can, but that's not the main purpose of it. Anyways, I think I'm about to give up on this dang hard problem. Becca is slipping away from me, man. I haven't. I don't think I've made many gains today. I suppose I brushed up on my bipartite and stuff. Do them keep pace with Becca? You don't have to stream. Yeah, maybe. Maybe I might take them on my other account, not Simon. Are you gonna do contests in Jamaica? Undecided yet, but probably not, man. My primary focus in Jamaica is to like hang out with my grandma and my brother. My brother is going with me for the first time. My brother was born in America, so he's never really experienced Jamaica. So I'd like to show him around and show him what life was like in the village back in my day. And my grandma is like 96 years old. She lives in Canada, but I think this is like probably one of the last times she can travel before she's like unable to travel anymore. So I'd like to just be there with her for her, you know, last time in Jamaica maybe. Do you know Viv Richards? Nah, I don't know who that is, man. Traveling at 96. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's crazy, man. Like the doctors cleared her to travel and she's been there for some time, but eventually she's probably gonna have to stay in Canada and stuff. Get some Jamaican ladies. Come on now. I've got a girlfriend, man. I don't do that type of stuff. Strong grandmas travel at that age. Yeah, super strong. So that's what I'll be up to, man. Hanging out with my family. Trying to make some videos maybe, or edit videos at least. I've got a lot of dang shorts, YouTube shorts that I need to do, but I haven't edited them yet. I've been like going through my old VODs and chopping up like parts that I want to turn into shorts. What is this? Am I in this? Jamaican accent on Japanese native.
How was your first experience in Jamaica?
It's like Osaka, you know. People is funny, food is nice, pum pum is tight.
What the fuck?
I think we can end the interview right now. I think
While I went to Osaka, I went to go have some jerk chicken at a restaurant, and I met this Japanese guy who spoke really good English, but he spoke it with the Jamaican accent.
I mean, there's a lot of Japanese people that visit Jamaica, man. Where are you taking your brother? I don't know. I haven't thought about that yet. My brother called me like right when I started to stream, and I told him I'm busy. But he also wants to know like what we're gonna do. Reaction videos? Nah, man. I can't do reaction videos, man. Not yet, at least. Probably take my brother to the river, maybe to the ocean. He could just hop in chat. Nah, I don't know if he's into Twitch. Jamaica a good place for solo traveler? Nah, I'd say no, unless you're crazy. But there are solo travelers that come to Jamaica. But I'd say it is not a beginner country to go traveling solo. You probably have to have some travel experience before you can come to Jamaica, man. As a solo person, I mean, as a solo traveler who's not going to just stay in a resort. If your plan is to stay in the resorts, man, maybe you can be solo because nothing's gonna happen. But if you want to get out there, rent a car or like stuff like that, stay in Airbnbs or hostels or whatever, maybe you should like get some traveling under your belt. What does the tattoo on your left arm represent? This tattoo represents my other grandma. So I have two grandmas. This one is for my other grandma who passed away a long time ago. Maybe like 15 years ago or something. I don't even know. Anyways, solo travel to Southeast Asia then. Yeah, Southeast Asia seems probably more friendly. Are you going on a solo travel trip, Robodom? Is that what you're trying to tell us? Yeah, so I want to get some footage of like my village. I already told you all that. And maybe, yeah, just like where I came from. And try and get that into a YouTube video or something like that, you know. What is your motivation to keep coding? Mainly my job. And I guess at this point, trying to be a content creator. The State Department rates Jamaica as reconsider travel. So there's that for a solo traveler. Yeah, Jamaica is also consistently in the top 3 of murders per capita. Let's see. Oh, we're number 1, baby. What's up? We're usually number 1 or number 2, man. So that's what I'm saying. You gotta watch out, man. It ain't no joke. But I'd say tourists are safe. I think tourists are usually safe, man. Ain't no tourists getting murdered in Jamaica. And if they do, it's because they probably did something they probably shouldn't have done, you know? Like, try to, I don't know. I heard a few years ago when I was down, I guess the tourists that do get murdered, they're probably more like expats instead of tourists. Because a tourist is like somebody who just visits the country on vacation. But an expat would live there. But I've heard of expats being murdered, you know? Those dumb tourists had it coming. Nah, I don't think I've heard of any tourists being murdered, man. But you're not like, if you're a tourist, you shouldn't try and like pick fights with local people or do things like that, because man, it ain't like America. People are very violent when they want to be. And never heard about St. Kitts and Nevis. It's a Caribbean island. Even in Mexico, tourists are getting murdered nowadays. Yeah, that doesn't happen in Jamaica, man. If it happens, it's like gonna be crazy news. Everybody's gonna know about it. But tourism is like one of the main sources of income for the whole country. Probably the biggest source of income. So everybody knows not to mess with the tourists, man. Look at South Africa. Oh, jeez. Dang. Yeah. Man, these are all Caribbean islands. I didn't know US Virgin Islands was popping like that. But I guess maybe. But yeah, South Africa bumping. Trinidad. St. Vincent's. Dang. Every country is from the Caribbean. I don't know where this is. Look at that. Bahamas, St. Lucia, Trinidad, 1, 2. We're like we're like 6 out of the top 10. There's a lot more Caribbean on there than I would have thought. Yeah. Man, where's Haiti at? Man, they're talking about Haiti has a lower murder rate than Jamaica. That's insane. But these are basically all Caribbean countries, man. They do not play on those islands, clearly. What languages do Jamaicans speak? Speak English, and also something called patois. How are murders committed? Illegal guns? Yeah, tons of guns in Jamaica, man. Tons and tons and tons of guns. But not limited to guns. Any way you can think about murdering somebody, it's probably been done in Jamaica. Stabbings, just fights, guns, whatever, you know. Lots of people get assassinated also. It's like $1,000 to put out an assassination on somebody. Ain't no thing to do that, man. Anyways, that's where I'm going. Back to my home country. But it's really nice, man. Besides the murderers, man, the people are really cool, really nice, very welcoming. What's the exchange rate like? I don't even know. 100. It's like the dang Japanese yens. It's like literally the same. Wow. 155, 155. You're filthy rich in Jamaica. Yeah, I got hundreds of dollars in Jamaica, man. I'm from the world's murder capital, and that's where I'm going home. Yeah, I mean, I always enjoy going back home. I'd say that's probably one of the biggest reasons why I don't want to live in Jamaica. It's like too much violence, man. You always have to watch your back. And there's always a sense of something might happen wherever you are, you know. How did you move to the US? Man, my mom naturalized before I turned 18, so I just inherited my US papers. Can live like a king. I don't know about king. Like electricity in Jamaica is like 6 times the price as in America, and lots of things are way more expensive. Like to import a car, like an American car, sometimes there's like a 300% import tax or something crazy like that, depending on the car, you know. What about the jealousy relatives who know you work at Google earning big bucks? No, man, my relatives ain't coming to murder me, man. That's crazy talk, smart coder. Man, I'm like the poorest person in my family probably. Bring solar panels. Get rich? Nah. No way. Well, all right, maybe some of my siblings are poorer than me, but I guess for my age, I don't know. I'm old. What kind of relatives you got, man? I got hundreds of relatives. I think my family is more like a corporation or a dang, I don't know. It's like a clan. It's like a legit clan with hundreds of members in the clan. They're all L5s. Nah, I'm like the only person in tech. Everyone else, generational wealth. Yeah, I'd say the wealth started. Man, ads. You already know. If you want no ads, you can go to YouTube. Sean Paul. What about Sean Paul? I'd say the wealth started 2 or 3 generations ago, maybe. So yeah, a bit generational, but man, that I don't have any of that. That is still up there in generations above me, man. And I don't know if it's coming down to me, man. Sean Paul, yeah. Are you related? Maybe. Me and Sean Paul might be related, you never know. Sean Paul is part Chinese, man. And I'd say all the Chinese in Jamaica are somehow intertwined. At least all the original ones. I don't know about the new Chinese that's been coming. But all the Chinese people that came in like 1900s, 1800s, you can trace back everybody to like some cousin of somebody or something like that, you know. Kwong from Vietnam, welcome to the stream. It's about to end though. We're just chilling right now. Talking about Jamaica. Man, problems I did today, not that great. I think I gotta take some training seriously. Anyways, how tall am I? I'm not very tall. Tell your long distance cousin Pitbull. Pitbull, man, why am I related to Pitbull? Am I related to any famous people? I don't think so. I think one of my aunties was like Miss Universe or something in the 50s. I don't know anyone else who might be famous in my family. Thought you had the Bolt genetics? Maybe. What's your chess elo? Husky Tusky, welcome to the party. My chess elo is like 0, man. I can't even play chess that well. Alright, it's time to go, man. I gotta pack. I gotta do things. So let me find somebody to raid. It's Chi Impact. Oh, there is also some new LeetCoder out there. I just realized you're wearing a Cheech and Chong shirt. Yeah, good eye, man. You like that shirt, huh? I bought this for like $5 somewhere. Like Marshalls or TJ Maxx or one of them places. Oh no, Condom Chris is already there, man. Let's go raid this guy. Just started streaming, beginner on Twitch, doing the LeetCode thing, you already know. Smoke some good Jamaican weed. I will try, man, I'll try. Every time I read his username, I think subhuman developer. Subham developer. Alright. good Jamaican weed. I know where to get that from. Think he's ending his stream? Oh, lordy. Cancel the stream. Cancel. Oh, man. Jesus. Alright, I guess we can go Chi-Chi Impact. Anyways. I gotta train harder, man. I can't be slipping. Thank you everyone for tuning in. I'll see y'all when I get back. Maybe I'll see y'all from my village. Maybe I'll try and do one quick stream. Can do it on the flight? Nah, man. Crazy. I ain't doing nothing like that on the flight. Pixel Pusher, Asia, C Mac. Have a good night. See you later. Icy Black Deep. Big Crypto Cat. Have a good night. Thank you for tuning in. Smart Coder, Elminson. Good night. See you next week, maybe? Yeah. Maybe. Grognosh2. See you later, man. Thank you for tuning in. I've been slacking. Need to train harder too. Yeah. I feel I don't train as hard as I should be. Like, maybe, yeah, I've become like complacent, but I'm really wanting to get Guardian by the end of the year, man. So I gotta turn it up, man. IRL stream from the Caribbean. I'll see if the internet can handle it. Franco Demise, see you later. Thank you very much for tuning in. Robo Dom, see you later, man. Adios, amigos. Inrosis, I don't know if I said bye. JCast19, see you next time. Preets, DeLorean is back. AKSR41, have a good night, man. You know I go to Gainesville sometimes, man. I didn't know you live there, AKSR. Alright. And see you later, YouTube. How do I end my stream, man?